Hello everyone, I'm Ken Hong.
I'm Dylan Tung. We are from Evolve Salon, Singapore. This is my model Joey. Today I would like to create a bit more commercial color on his hair. It's a smooth, cool and smoky tone on this model hair.
For me today I'm doing the haircut and styling inspired by Marla hairstyle.
Hi guys, I just created just now before I will apply the color on this part hair. I will use using HCA at PB 20 ml, 10P 30 ml, and 7SC 5 ml, and 10 volt as this whole part. And the top I will correct a bit the darker shadow after I will apply.
I'm using Perfecto number 5 and Roughman with Lagoon jam. For the Lagoon jam, I mix some water to liquefy the gel. For me, later easy to blow dry. The finishing for today will be a more editorial look inspired by combination of mullet and flat top shoot.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
See you next time.